Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly we start design. Dimensions 1444 into 835 into 70 mm and 1665 into 56 into 958 mm. Weight 20 kg and 33 kg. Mounting hole pattern 200 into 200 mm and 400 into 400 mm. Special features: height adjustable stand 65 to 85 inch, Gemba 3.0, IMAX enhanced, motion accelerator 240, climb ready, and anti-reflective filter ultra, Gemba 3.0, IMAX enhanced, motion accelerator 240, climb ready. Tuners DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Part 2 Display. Display type LCD. Panel type VAQD. Backlight miniLED. Screen size 55, 65, 75, 85, 98 inch Europe and 65, 75, 85, 98 inch Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 144 Hz. Brightness 2400 nits and 3300 nits. Display colors 1070 million. Pixel density 68 ppi and 45 ppi. Response time 6 millisecond and 6.5 millisecond. Bit depth 10 bit. Video processor AIPQ Pro. High gig, yes. Ambient light sensor, yes. Anti-reflection coating, yes. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 Plus, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision IQ. Part 3 Connectivity. Number of HDMI 4, 2 into HDMI 2.1. USB ports 1 into USB A. Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AX. Bluetooth 5.2. Part 4 Features. TV platform Google TV. Version at launch 12.0. OS updates, yes. AirPlay 2, yes. HomeKit, yes. Voice assistance, Google Assistant Alexa. Supports a remote smartphone, yes. Voice commands, yes. Child lock, yes. Sleep timer, yes. Part 5 Sound. Speakers 2.1 40 watt and 2.2 60 watt. HDMI ARC and EARC, yes. Dolby Atmos, yes. Dolby Digital AC3, yes. Dolby Digital Plus EAC3, yes. Dolby AC4, yes. Detach X, yes. Detach Digital Surround, yes. Detach HD, yes. Detach HD Master Audio, yes. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.